Hello and welcome to this episode of Creating with Howcraft. My name is Denise Yesback-Moore with howcraftcollection.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create my chainmail earrings. This technique can also be used to create the chainmail bracelet. The tools and supplies you will need to create these earrings or bracelet are chain nose pliers, Czech glass copper iris coated little donut beads, Czech glass purple iris coated little donut beads, 10mm jump rings, and an ear wire. If you are making the bracelet, you would need a clasp and a little 6mm jump ring at the end. A complete list of the jewelry making supplies and beads, along with printable PDF instructions, can be found on howcraftcollection.com. Search chainmail earrings or chainmail bracelet. First thing we need to learn is how to properly open and close a jump ring. This is how you open and close a jump ring. So we're going to open that jump ring pretty wide and attach 3 of our purple iris coated donut beads. We're going to come back over and close our jump ring. I just opened my second jump ring. I'm going to grab the first one, find that center donut, move it a little bit, and we are going to close our jump ring. Once again, 3 purple, finding the center, I'm moving that down, and close our jump ring. At this point, I like to attach my ear wire or ear clasp. So I'm just going to attach and close. So for the earrings, we did 3. If you are doing the bracelet, you would continue 14 rows down and you would attach your clasp to the top. Now we're going to be creating the side row, and for that we are using the copper iris little donut beads. So I just strung 3 of them, and we're going to come over to this side and we're going to pick up the right side donut on the second row and then the top donut on the second row. I'm going to move that down and close the jump ring. I just grabbed my jump ring, strung 3 of the copper iris, and we're going to pick up the bottom right and that little donut bead, the copper, and then we're going to grab our and close that jump ring. So you can see that this side has formed. We need to repeat this process on the other side. Once again, 3 copper glass beads. We're flipping it over to the other side, grabbing the bottom purple and that top purple, and I just move my chain nose pliers up a little bit and close the jump ring. Last step for our earrings, 3 of the copper on our jump ring, grabbing the bottom donut and then that bottom copper donut, coming back over and closing our jump ring. To complete our bracelet, you would follow those same steps. I like to do the center all the way down and then do each side. Makes it a little easier. And there you have it, how to create my chainmail earrings or the bracelet. If you are watching on YouTube, please like and subscribe at Howcraft USA. Follow us on Instagram at Howcraft Collection Beads. Be sure to visit howcraftcollection.com for more inspirational DIY projects and for all your jewelry making needs. New beads are added weekly, and each week howcraftcollection.com features an amazing new sale. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.